I have just updated the Microsoft Edge and this one pops up. I click next, and what shows here is quickly access Copilot features, summarize pages, chat with Copilot, or activate Copilot Vision directly from the new Copilot drop down menu. And you may select the Copilot chat. Then I click next and read on the web without distractions. The reading mode in Edge turns busy pages into a clean, easy to read view without ads or pop ups getting in the way. So, on supported pages, you may select this icon from the Edge toolbar or you may use F9 on the keyboard. Then I click next. These tabs show up: tab search, copilot, organize tabs, passkeys, visual search, and scareware blocker. So explore the latest features in Edge. Microsoft Edge introduces exciting new features every month. Click on a tile to explore some of the latest features and built-in tools that help you customize your browser, be more productive, and stay organized. Let's try this visual search. So search from a screen capture. So find products, learn something new, discover recipes, and more by selecting an area to search. Simply right click and select the visual search. Then frame the area on the web page to see search result. This screen shows how it is being done. Right click, visual search. Okay, let's go back. Let's click next. And here, enjoy these features and much more with Microsoft Edge. So import data, get the app, and more features. Let's see, import data. You can import data from Google Chrome. And this import, then other import locations. Let's go back. Get the app. You just scan the QR code and let's see more features. Okay, what's new in Microsoft Edge? Discover new features and helpful tips to get the best experience out of Edge. So we have the latest features here. The first one is AI Theme Generator. Create your own browser theme. Let's learn more. AI Theme Generator in Microsoft Edge can personalize your browser with unique custom themes based on your words. Themes change the look of your browser, and the new tab page explore dozens of pre-generated themes for inspiration, or you can create your own. Let's try the other new feature, which is the Edge search bar. Edge search bar visual search is now integrated with Edge search bar. Upload a file or drag and drop an image to see search results. Activate Edge search bar by selecting this visual search to get started. Okay, it is being shown here in this screen. Let's try the tab search. Save time with tab search. And stay focused and save time with tab search in Microsoft Edge. Whether you are researching a topic or juggling multiple tasks, tab search helps you instantly find any open or recently closed tab by simply typing a keyword. And let's see other feature here. Okay, Copilot connectors. This is also a new feature. Stay on top of your emails and more. Let's learn it. Copilot connectors link the accounts you already use, like OneDrive, Outlook, and even Gmail and Google Calendar, Google Drive. Search emails, summarize files, and keep track of plans in one place. To connect an account, click plus sign inside Copilot and sign in here. And Copilot in Edge. The best of Copilot is now in Edge. Let's explore. Copilot features you already love, like vision, journeys, multi-tab context, plus a redesigned new tab are now built into Edge on desktop and mobile. Okay, And reading mode, read without distractions. So reading mode in Edge turns busy pages into a clean, easy to read view without ads or pops up getting in the way. On supported pages, select this icon from the Edge toolbar or F9 on your keyboard. So it goes like this, that is the icon, and it removes some of the unnecessary text or images. These are the new features of Microsoft Edge. Try it and let me know your experience.